Hello, this is my commerce project. As we can see right here, we're not signed in yet, but we can access the active listings. We can see the title, the image, the starting price, and the description right here, and the actual bid. And we can see that there are no comments available at this moment, but we can also check the categories. Cars, we have the Rolls Royce. We can access the Rolls Royce from here. We have electronics, we have home, etc. If now we go and sign in the user, we can now make some bits, we can now comment, and we can add to watch list. So let's start making a bid. If I make a bid lower than the starting price, I will receive an error message. But if I make a bid equal with an equal amount to the starting price, the actual bid will refresh. But now if I go with another user, I log in and I try to make a bid equal to the other user, I will receive an error message. So now I start to compete with him. I set this actual bid. So since I was the one that created this listing, I have the option to close the auction. As we can see right here, he does not have the option, the other user. So I'm going to close it, and this will make the listing no longer active, but this doesn't mean that it will no longer exist. We can still access it. So this was the last user that made a bid, so this should be the winner. As we can see right here, I received a message stating that I won this bid, and a message right here that says that this listing is no longer available. But if we try to access this link with the other user, we can see right here that we don't have the message stating that we won. If we keep checking other listings, we can see right here that we can make some comments. We have the user that made that comment. We can go. We will see the user that made a comment, and we can also make another one, and we have the two comments accumulated. We can add this to a watch list, and then we can delete this from the watch list. So we can see right here we have the bed and the toy, and if we try to delete the toy, we will no longer have the toy. We can also create a listing, let's say car, amazing, and the bid, and the URL, and for cars. We can see right here that we have the car, and since I created the listing, I will have the option to close it. Now we can access to admin, and we can edit or delete any of the items that we created. Anything that we want, we can add new. The same for comments, the same for categories, for bits, and for watch lists. As you can see right here, I created 5 models apart from the users. Thank you. This was my project for commerce.